item in bagging area. Remove this item before continuing.
Guys, it's me Leila again, and I'm here back with another surprise video. You know that sometimes lemurs could go crazy because I watched kind of Kim Body Basic and the lemur had a gun. Why? And it was totally a criminal. So someone gave this lemur a weapon. And they're such a body zoos. And the boo-boo zoo. Ah!
Okay.
Cut.
All right. I'll cut that out. I promise.
Ready to see what I got? Make sure to subscribe and hit that like button and get my shirt down below in the description down below. Try your best to tell your mom if you don't know where it is. It might be somewhere, but I don't know where it is because I never got FGT. And check out this next video right here.
Okay, ready?
So what I got.
Boom! Glow in the dark bubbles because you're not able to blow bubbles and you've always wanted to, and they glow in the dark. All right, well come on.
What's happening? I'm gonna need help with the power of the unicorn with the sparkly horn. You're going to let me down. Stop eating my homework. Thank you, unicorn. Thank you, unicorn. Let's do a little more. Like pink.
What's it come with?
Balloon play. Hook. Hook too. Look, the bites out. I just found out last night. Last night I found out I got to be pop unicorn with squiggly horn. Stop eating my unicorn. Help me, Dad. Because my unicorn keeps eating my homework. What? How do you make this? Thanks for getting a tiny globe bubble ball. I hope you love it as much as we did. Here's a few tricks to help you get started playing, along with information on how to safely play with and care for. Includes tiny global ball. This is the nozzle.
No, let me see.
Too. Now I got to blow it. big is the pea right now?
Look, it's about that big. See? Blow it up so quick. Pull it out fast. Pull. There you go. All right, now let's do the glow test. Let's put it in the light. In the light.